guys, welcome back to my channel. For anybody new here, then my name is Rianne, and if you're not new, then welcome back. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a curly flip over using a half wig. So DIY curly flip over. If you haven't got time to book an appointment to get a sew in, this is your go-to. Not counting the braid down, this hairstyle probably took around half an hour to do. It can take you less. I was just dilly-dallying while I was doing it. Let me just tell you guys what I did for my braid down very quickly before we get into the video. So I've got 8 cane rows at the back. They're messy. That's why I'm not showing you the braids, because I can't cane row my own hair and they look a mess. But it doesn't matter because this hair is really full, so your braids don't have to be flat. Don't worry if you don't know how to cane row your hair, you're good anyway. I sectioned off my leave out. I left out like a centimeter of hair because minimal leave out for the win. Left that out and I did it in like 2 plaits just to section it off, and that is how I did my braid down. But I'll show you guys the leave out section. You're just not gonna see the rest of my braids because they looked a mess. Let's get into the details for the hair. This is from Isee hair. I got my one on TikTok shop and it literally came next day delivery. This is a reinstall video. I've worn this wig twice already, so it's not fresh out the packaging. It looked a bit messy when I first put it on my head, but we're gonna sort it out and I'll show you guys how I achieved this look. So without any further ado, I'm gonna see you guys later. Enjoy the video. Let's install a half wig. The wig itself, I feel like I look really shiny. Do I look shiny, guys? This is the half wig from Isee hair and it's got 3 clips. 1 clip, 2 clips, and this is the 3rd clip here. And it's got a drawstring. So that is a drawstring that we use to just tighten it. And it does look a bit messy because I was wearing this like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna try style it myself today. When you put on the half wig, the easiest way to do it is to start with the center clip. Then I do the sides after. I've got my leave out here. Minimal leave out because I don't like having to do loads of work. There's also a clip in the back, so clip that in. You see that string? Just push the little plastic bit up and that's gonna tighten the wig on your head so it's secure. That's not coming off. Do you get it? That is not coming off. I am fully aware of how crazy I look right now, but I'm just trying to show you guys this is the fastest hairstyle that you can do. If you're in a rush, you have somewhere to go and you don't know what to do with your hair, a half wig will do it every time. So cool. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I had to go upstairs and get my Tangle teaser and my nose is blocked, so breathing is kind of hard right now. But anyway, all we're doing for now, I've just got water in this bottle. That's the only thing in here. There's no conditioner or anything. I'll show you the other products that I use, but I'm just detangling the hair with water. Then we'll go in with the other products. Normally I would advise you to detangle in sections, but because we're kind of in a rush today, we're not gonna do that. You see how just a bit of water already and that's starting to look cute. Always detangle from the ends, whether it's your hair, fake hair, any type of hair. Don't start detangling from up here. Always start from the end. I love this hair so much. I think it's so nice. The quality is insane, and I'm not even saying this. Like, this video is not a paid ad. Like, this is not an ad. So when I tell you that the hair is good, like good quality, I'm not lying. I'm not being paid to say that. When you comb the hair, do you see the way that the curls bounce? The curls are bouncing. Like, this hair is so good. I know I said we weren't gonna work in sections because we're kind of pressed for time right now, but this hair is so dense, like the hair is so thick that spraying water on the top, the back is still dry. The only reason we're putting water in this hair is to detangle it, but the style that I'm going for, I don't want the hair to be wet because it's not gonna match my hair texture because my leave out right now is blow dried. Now that the hair is all wet and detangled, we're gonna use this curl cream. This one is from Boots. This cost like £2, and once again, my friend recommended this to me because it smells really nice. I don't know how to explain the smell, but it smells good. So I just take a bit of that, put that on my hands, rub it together, and I'm just gonna comb it through the hair with my fingers. And this is just so that the curls can continue to thrive. Like, I want these curls to be just as bouncy, but the hair's just gonna be a bit less wet. I don't own a diffuser, so what I do is I use my blow dryer on a cool setting and I just kind of like push it up and down. Okay, that's all the diffusing that we're gonna do for now. I do want it to look a bit bigger and puffier, but we'll come back to that. Let's work on the leave out now. I washed and blow dried my hair earlier, and then I just cane rolled the front. I've got like 8 messy cane rolls at the back of my hair, and then 2 at the front just to separate the leave out. I hope I left out enough though, because I'm going for minimal leave out. Like, I didn't want too much work to do. I've got my inspo pick up, and I want it to look kind of messy, because that will look really natural the way that I want to blend it with my hair. You know how like some flip overs you do like a proper quiff, like I don't want it to be like that. I want it to look kind of messy but still really cute. Yeah, that's enough leave out. Guys, you see how I left out like 1 centimeter, and that covers what needs to be covered. This is the Fantasia heat protector spray. Swear by this. We're gonna hot comb my hair first, and then we're gonna wand curl it. We're also gonna add a bit of the Shy Silk infusion, just because I want the curls to look shiny. Like, I want them to look silky, and yeah, you're gonna see what this does. This works wonders. If you're straightening your hair, applying any sort of heat to your hair, this just does something. Like, I love it. This is gonna look so tea, guys. Just wait me. I'm about to look so good. Like, you guys aren't even ready. I just had an idea to like straighten my hair and then curl it. It's optional, you don't have to do that. I'm being extra, but I do want to see how that will come out. I think that's gonna look really good. So I'm gonna do like 1 pass with the straightener and then curl it, and I feel like that ringlet curl will look really cute. I might be onto something here. At the same time, I might not be, but we'll see. We've got the pencil curler here, and I'm just gonna put some small curls into the leave out. How you do these curls don't really matter. They don't need to be too big, don't need to be too small, as long as the hair is just not straight. See how these curls are like really messy? It doesn't really matter because we're gonna comb them out. So that's what we're going for. I want a messy kind of look. That one is really nice. Now what we're gonna do is, because this is looking so crazy, this looks insane. Take out the half wig. Play around with it. This is the flip over part. You just play around with the hair until it looks how you want it to. I want it to be like messy, fluffy curls. We're just gonna match it with the hair. So what I'm gonna do is use a comb, because I want it to just look fluffier so it matches my hair texture a bit more. And then this bit, I want it to be like over. Now, okay, cool. Guys, that is almost us done with the curly flip over hairstyle. The last thing we're gonna do is just add some edges, but you can see how that small bit of leave out, you can't even see where this is a half wig. It covers everything that needs to be covered. Now we're just gonna go in with some red one. I'm not gonna do 4 edges, I'm just gonna do 1 here. I don't even want 1 here, to be honest. So let's get a toothbrush. This is an ugly toothbrush, but that's how you know it lays my edges. So just comb out the tiniest bit of hair, and then we're just gonna put on some gel, well, some wax. And that is how you install a half wig. And guys, tell me what you think in the comments. I think I did pretty good, considering this is my 2nd attempt. The first one, that doesn't count because I messed it up so bad, but I think this looks really cute. Lace wear. Spot the lace, you won't. I love this hairstyle. Like, half wigs might be the best thing that was ever invented. Let me even show you guys the back. This is the exact look that I was going for. I've only tried doing like a flip over hairstyle with the half wig, but I've seen girls on TikTok do like ponytails, they've done buns, they've done like updo hairstyles with this 1/2 wig. So hopefully I do try a few more, but if you're into like trying different hairstyles, this is really versatile, so I definitely recommend. When it comes to packaging, Isee Hair does not disappoint. Like, they will give you so many cute little goodies in the box. So You got hair clips, more hair clips. I really like these ones actually. These are really good. Then what else? Wig cap. I didn't put on a wig cap, I just clipped it into my hair. For half wigs, I don't think you really need to wear a wig cap, but you've always got them there in case you do want to use them. Guys, they gave me an eye mask. You know, that is so cute. Isee hair, they eat with their packages. Like, they really eat. We're not even done, there's still more. This is another band for the back of the wig. And then this is the one that I took out of my wig because I don't like the band at the back of my wigs. I've always taken them off, whether it's a whole wig or half wig. The band is coming out the back. I don't want it. I do not need it. And then of course, a cute pair of lashes. So that's what comes in the box for the Isee hair half wig. And that is the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. Any questions, leave in the comments and I will see you guys next time. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Let's clip this up so that we can do the back separately. Ah. I want to then ring curl. Why can I not remember how to speak English right now? Where? Now, let me unclip this bit. You know what I look like right now? You know the Barbie doll meme? Is it the Barbie? Is it from Barbie? Or is it like Rugrats or something? I don't know, it's like this doll. It's just, I think it's from Rugrats. That's what I look like right now.